Zombie Apocalypse.
Hello guys, what's up? So Jirax TV nagbabalik. So welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys is meron naman tayong panibagong earning application or earning website na pwede nating pagkakitaan online guys, no. So kung bago ka pa lamang dito sa akin channel guys, is please subscribe na guys. And don't forget to click the notification bells para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin na video about pagkitaan online guys, no. So ano nga ba yung i-share ko guys is ito pong si Mineral Mingle. So pwede rin nyo nga i-click yung link dyan guys na nasa ating description box at pin comment. So para lang to sa mga risk taker guys, no. So kung risk taker ka guys is pwede ka ngang mag-invest dito. Kung hindi ka naman risk taker, so wag ka nang mag-invest dito, no. So ang tanong guys, paano mag-register dito guys? So click, ito yung register nya. So ito yung login. So mag-register, tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano mag-register. So click lang din ng register. So yan, enter ka lang yan dyan ng email address, phone number at saka password, then register ka na. So pag naka-register ka na guys is mag-login ka na, no. So mag-login lang tayo dito. So yan guys, nandito na nga tayo sa home ng website na to. So makikita mo kaagad itong account balance, withdraw balance, recharge record, withdraw bank card, Telegram page group, privacy, illustrate, use terms, company introduction, invite award, product order. So ayan. So dito naman sa baba, ito yung mga investment amount nila guys. So yung pinakauna guys is si Aqua Vigor is nagkakahalaga ng 200 pesos investment. So yung daily profit mo guys is 40 pesos. So total profit is 560. So yung 200 mo ay tutubo ng 360. So magiging 560 siya. So dito naman sa Fashion Grow is 14 days yung cycle, then 105 daily profit, then yung total profit is 1470. So dito naman sa pangatlo sa Solar Feed is 3 days yung cycle niya, then 800 araw-araw, then total profit is 2,400. So dito naman sa Aqua Grow, so 1,000 yung investment, then 14 days, then 215 araw-araw, then total profit mo is 3,010. So dito naman sa Life Boost, so 14 days yung cycle niya, then 300 araw-araw, then total profit is 4,200, then yung investment amount niya is 1,400, no. So yan, dito sa Planta Max is 14 days yung day cycle niya, then yung daily profit mo is 390, then yung total profit mo is 5,460. So yung total investment amount niya is 1,800. So sa Bio Bloom, so 14 days yung cycle, then daily profit 435, then total profit is 6,090. Yung investment amount niya is 2,000. So dito sa Vital Crop, so 14 days, so daily profit is 525. So yung total profit mo is 7,350. Yung total investment naman niya is 2,400. So dito naman sa Hydra Fair, so day cycle niya is 14 days, so daily profit mo is 6,615. So yung total profit mo naman is 8,610. So yung investment amount niya is 2,800. So dito naman sa panghuli sa Tira Fusion, then 14 days siya, then daily mong kikitain is 660. So total profit mo is 9,240. So investment amount niya is 300, so 3,000. So and guys, no, so para lang to sa mga risk takers. So invest at your own risk, invest what you can afford to lose. So dito naman tayo sa pag recharge guys. So kung gusto niyo mag-recharge guys, so click mo lang tong account balance, yan, click mo lang yan. So yan, maglagay ka lang ng i-recharge mo dito guys. So yung minimum recharge dito guys is 200 up to ito 200 up to 100,000. So yan guys, 200 nga yung minimum dito mag-recharge. So i-click mo lang, maglagay ka lang ng amount dyan, then top up, then mag-direct na sa site. So bayaran mo na lang yan sa GCash na. So back tayo. So ako pala guys ay mag-add ka muna ng bank card. Ito withdraw bank card, yan mag-add ka muna. So lagay ka lang ng ano mo dito, GCash name, GCash mobile number. So then confirm submission mo, then tapos na yan no. So kapag may balance ka na guys, so pwede naman nang i-withdraw guys. So click natin tong withdraw, yan withdraw balance, click natin yan. So yung minimum withdrawal dito guys is 200 no, 200 nga pataas, 200. So yung ano nila withdrawal time naman is 9 AM to 5 PM. So yan, customer service review time 9 AM to 5 PM. So reviewers do not work on weekends, please be patient no. So kapag may 200 ka na guys, so enter ka lang ng amount 200, then withdraw now. Click mo tong withdraw now, withdraw now. So click mo yan para makapag withdraw ka na. So back tayo no. So then naman sa invite guys, yan invite. So ayan, so kung gusto mo mag-invite is copy mo lang yung link mo dyan. Kung gusto mo mag-invite, yan copy mo lang yan para i-share mo sa mga social media, sa mga kaibigan mo para kumita ka ng extra no. So back tayo. So yan, ito yung mga users na naka-withdraw na guys. Yan, ito yung users na naka-withdraw na. Yan, so ito yung home ano nila, yung picture ng ano site na to, ending site na to. So yan, so kung gusto mo mag-invest dito guys, invest what you can afford to lose na lang no. So wag malakihan yung invest guys. So dito lang tayo sa mababa guys. So kung kaya lang nyo mawala yung pera nyo, so invest what you can afford to lose na lang. So ayan guys no. So dito lang nagtatapos ang ating video guys. So thank you for watching. So see you again in my next video. Peace out.